Welcome friends, I'm Jeff Dietrich. I'm an attorney, partner at a law firm, entrepreneur, and the creator of the Legal Foundation Blueprint, where we're teaching coaches and entrepreneurs to protect themselves from liability, but also to get paid. Now you're here to download the audio course, Is My Business Protected? And Setting a Sure Foundation for Success. This audio program is packed full of valuable information that's going to help you take your business to the next level. I find that most of my clients, most of my business owners that I know, and even me at times, I can sit there and have a great idea, but I don't always know where to go with it. What this video is going to help you do is go from the beginning, wherever you are right now, whether you're an established business, an established coach, or just starting out, all the way out to getting yourself protected from liability and making sure you have the contracts in place to get yourself paid. Because bottom line, what we all need is to get paid. We got to make money. If you'll enter your information in the form on your right, you'll be able to download this free audio course. And throughout this course, you'll hear information about focus, how to get focused on your business, what you need to know and what you need to do to have a successful business. We'll walk you through the basic systems of creating a business, what you need to understand about organization, contracts, using available resources, banking, and other liability protection measures. I look forward to talking with you more. If you'll enter your information, your name and email address into the contact form on your right, you'll be able to download this valuable audio tool. I'm Jeff Dietrich, attorney, partner at a law firm, creator of the Legal Foundation Blueprint. I want you to remember that life is short. Get paid to live your dream.